the 2 SPRs that are our giveaway. We chose them randomly. This is all doubles and triples that we have. So we're going to start with this.
Maybe quadruples.
It's possible. So this is the 2 giveaway today. Let's start with the first one. Super Saiyan Trunks SPR from the series BT10. The BT10, where is the 10? What is the name? I don't know that. The like is... It's Rise of the... Which is one?
It's on the right.
Unison Wire, I think.
Yeah, Unison Wire.
Okay, so this is from the Unison Wire, this one.
What about this
And this is, a BT5. This is an old card. So that comes from Mikaros. Even if I think it's the most beautiful pack we've opened so far, it's the most unlucky pack we ever had. So let's, I just realized I don't have my beautiful black gloves. I'm gonna go get them after this opening. Hopefully the SCR is not in those first.
Yeah. Where are the gloves?
With our luck, it's going to be in that pack.
Yeah. So we start with you. No. What? This is Maddie?
It's an 8.
The 8?
Well, he's a bear. He looks like a bear.
Nah,
An angry
It's
bear.
bear-ish.
It's hairy-ish. So we start with Sun Gohan, Legacy, Champa, Krillin, Botamo, Sun Gohan, Trunks, Sun Gohan, Naturals Revival, Natat Village, Krillin. And for you guys, you just pulled it.
You got this. One more
Good?
try. It's not
Is it
shiny.
shiny? No?
Is it
SR! I thought it was a secret and I had to go put my gloves.
Oh, that's why.
That's why. I don't want to touch it. So beautiful secret for you, my audience.
I have a headache.
You guys, you have a headache?
Yeah.
You guys just pull. I'm gonna put my glove right away because I'm scared that something like I have a feeling we're gonna get the secret today.
Me too. For once, I'm positive in my life.
Yeah, we're getting a secret today. I feel it.
Now, you gotta stop talking. I can smell the burn.
I can still taste it.
Why is it so strong?
I got that. So we had
The force was strong.
12 boxes, now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means we have
We have 4 left.
we have 60% chance of getting a secret because the chances are getting higher and higher every time.
I finished high school, but
Doesn't you see?
it doesn't show.
I can calculate it pretty easily.
It doesn't feel like it.
But you know what? In high school, when they show you like about religion, how do you say that? Religion. What it's like. See, that's why I didn't finish my high school. So, like religion, you have those. I don't know them in English. The mathematic problems. The
Math.
not the math, like it's in the
Pi.
the pi. That's the way you say it.
Yeah.
Algebra.
Like all, it's called like this.
I think so.
Yeah.
It sounds like zebra. Algebra. I don't know why it came into my mind. But anyway, it's not good.
You know, that's why when you were doing algebra, you were thinking
Yeah,
of
it's-
a zebra.
Yeah,
That's why it was hard for you. Zebra.
You know what's gonna go good for
With the
me?
stripes.
You know what? It's
That's
pretty good now, the cards. Look at this.
It's insane.
It's insane. I think this is one of the perfect image we've got so far. Okay, here we go.
Not your card, man. I know it's
This
4,000.
is my pack. And you go with Training
It's
Buddy.
your pack?
This is my pack. Kel, I'm not going to do the same error because I don't want to eat another sense of beans for my hair.
Boom, boom, slow.
Krillin,
Yes.
Turtles, Hit, C'est plus qu'un. I'm doing this.
No, I think it was like that.
No, it's I noticed that
I
too.
heard both.
He's Shenron, Vegeta, Quick Assist, Mentors to the Rescue, Blessing Tree of Might, Super Saiyan Brilliant for myself. I just pull it. 19,000 in power. That's good.
That's good.
You know why it's good? Only Cyrex loses with those power.
I know.
So, and if I lose normally, so I'm 4,000 also, but I'm safe because PoPoBear didn't pull this 4,000 yet.
Okay.
And we're gonna keep PoPoBear.
Yeah.
Of course.
So we're gonna know if PoPoBear is gonna be stressed or not for this opening.
I hope I get an SCR.
Honestly,
The first one.
I would be happy that you get an SCR. Krillin.
What happens if we get a CR?
Everybody spins.
Everybody spin except the person with the SCR card, and we just start doing. Or that's. Hey, we never did that.
Do we spin naked or?
We never did Erginyu.
Oh, yeah.
We have,
The
for
new dance.
whoever's following, I don't remember the name of that person exactly, but we're going to do the Ginyu first soon when Sarai's going to fix his suit. If it's important for you. Kel, Wilderness Monster, Towa, Super Saiyan Gohan, Dr. Rhoda, Forest Fire, Saunel, King Kai's Training, Vegeta, and Kaba. Are you ready for your card? Especially putting some sound effect in it?
No, I was preparing and getting you fourth picture.
So get ready because I'm doing you.
Oh.
Are you ready to see what we're gonna reveal for Cyrex? And we just slow or fast?
4,000.
Not
4,000.
4. I'm not feeling well. Not 4.
Yeah, 4,000. 5,000 maybe?
Oh, it's not shiny.
Oh, it's bad.
Oh, that's bad. I
Are
feel
you safe?
I thought let's go from the other side.
I think I'm
It's
safe.
a rare.
Oh, I'm not safe.
What's the power?
0,
Oh.
0,
Oh.
0,
0.
4.
Oh!
I hope you get hit in the head. Loser.
Damn.
Don't talk too fast, PoPoBear. You're probably gonna
I
miss
know,
better.
I'll probably get like 3,000.
No,
Doesn't even
PoPoBear's
exist.
gonna pull something that's gonna
Yeah,
be called
this is gonna be one.
Special edition 3,000.
$1 bomb.
So for PoPoBear, we got Diamond Blitz, Super Saiyan Gohan, Son Goku, Hard Dragon, Yamcha, Super Saiyan Goten, Hard Dragon, Coco, Great Ape Vegeta, Tree of Might, Tien Shannon, and for PoPoBear, he just pulled a
Of course.
Oh!
Dragonball.
Cyrex.
I like the
Vegeta. Turtles! And the audience gonna go with the same back.
What?
So we're gonna start with PoPoBear.
You won. You should take this one.
I choose. And the last two I don't want. This one, take it. You want it?
No, I lost.
Oh, birthday.
Son, go on for PoPoBear, Rage and Ron, Trunks, Super Saiyan Khalifa, Krillin, Deborah, Frost, Plains Monster, Tap Village, Nature's Revival, New Ova Shenron. And is it gonna be another 4,000?
SCR.
Let's see if it's shiny. Not shiny.
No, I see.
Which side? This side, or fast?
Whatever. Fast.
Oh! Save from his own self.
I like
Unless 4,000 goes to, you know what? Okay, I would literally do something, start dancing or whatever you want. If you and I pull an SPR and the audience pull a 4,000, you lose and we stay alive. That would be sick.
That'd be the best moments ever.
Yeah, that would be awesome. Thank you.
And you know what? From last stream, if you guys remember, PoPoBear pulled a record, but you followed him, spinning 4 times in 1 round. Remember that?
I followed because he got Shenron. That's not the same thing.
No, but for him, he lost twice. I got Shenron and you got Fusion. So you chose him, so you lost 4 times, but we did the same thing with you afterwards. But that was pretty intense. So for my brother Cyrex, we go with Great Ape Son, Skill Hunter, Tien Shannon, Magita, Piccolo, Super Son Gohan, Quick Assist, Monstrous Encounter, Tree of Might, The Demon Awakes, Training Goals, Son Goku. So fast.
Make it fast.
Fast 10,000 and power!
It could be bad. Could be.
Yeah.
I don't mind losing 1 time, so I'm the same with my friends. Or the old beautiful
It could
SPR.
be worse.
For myself, Great Ape, Super Saiyan Goten, Super Saiyan Kaba, Demon God Deborah, Champa, Vegeta, Training Buddy Buttles, Bubbles, I meant, Kaioken and Son Goku, Forest Fire, I did say that by accident, and for myself.
I want a 4. It's not shiny.
You know what? This guy cannot be 4,000. He's a Saiyan. Tubes.
I say like
Tubes.
15.
Tubes. Tubes.
19.
9,000!
Yeah, you say it.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Oh,
Wow, if you win
9,000.
by 1,000?
9,000. We haven't had 9,000 in a while.
because it's over
1,000! Give away.
That was very sick for that.
Okay, let's pull up 4,000 here. So that way.
That was very synchronized. Yeah, we're getting good. We're getting good.
Kaba, Demonic Barrier, Hit, Hair Dragon, Finn, Amand, Frost, Blessing of the Tree of Might, Son Gohan, Dr. Rhoda, Frost.
Guys.
No. Vegeta? Yanni's losing.
SPR.
SPR?
SPR.
Yeah. No! Oh, we already have this one. It's a beautiful card. The audience just pulled an SPR, so that's going to be a giveaway. Like, PoPoBear just say. So,
Another giveaway.
Senzu. What you have to do is you have to put down the keyword. You have to comment down below on our YouTube channel. So that way you can actually win this card. We have now 3 giveaway to give. The 3 first comments that put down the keyword will win this card. And the keyword is what PoPoBear actually ate twice so far. So remember that.
PSA 5.
Yeah.
Because Cyrex put his
Okay.
greasy fingers on it.
Wait, I have some boogers. That's for you. Your giveaway, guys.
You know what?
Yanni, you lost, so which one are you?
So far, this deck didn't lose once. I'm going with this one. I'm throwing.
Oh, you're playing risky. The risky trend.
We're gonna go with
Rusty.
PoPoBear because it's 1-1-1.
I'm going with Kefta. She didn't lose.
risky trend.
Risky.
Cyrex.
Obviously, Vegeta.
I'm tired and that guru doesn't do anything.
What are you choosing?
Vegeta!
We're gonna start with YanniBH Charles. So I didn't choose Charles. Hopefully I did a good choice because Charles just made me lost. So we're gonna go here with Super Saiyan Kaba, Grade 8, Full Power Frost, Nord Kai, Super Saiyan Goten, It, Wilderness Monster, King Kai's Planet, Brawly, Mentor's Rescue, Son Gohan, and for the audience, a 4,000 in power. I had a feeling I should.
I had a feeling.
Inside my.
You've been saying that for so long. It's a reflex.
I'm starting this
Reflex.
time. Gag reflex? SBR, please.
Who
So
is
I don't
this?
spin. This is my back. Super Saiyan Caulifla, Super Saiyan Kappa,
So many
Turtles, Yamcha,
all
Speed
yours.
Rush Son Gohan, Botamo, Ultimate Ice Ring, Grade 8 Vegeta, Saunel, Nitade. Oh, that beautiful
Wait, who's
awaken. This is my back, and I go for it. 30,000 in power! And it's strong, but I'm still going to spin the wheel anyway.
Wow.
Yeah, I feel like we're all spinning.
Well, no, that's not true. You're probably going to spin twice.
Yeah, obviously.
Because you're the 4,000 boy.
Or I'm gonna get SCR right now.
That means...
Do we have every SPRs?
No,
For this one? We're missing?
we're missing 1 or 2, I think. I'll have to
It
recalculate.
goes like, it fits.
Yeah, no.
Right there.
So we go for
My bad.
Cyrex, Finn, Raisin, Super Saiyan 2 Caulifla, Hard Dragon, Towa, Turtles, Purina, Kai's Training, Ultimate Electric Slime, Kaioken Son Goku Maximum Gains,
Come on, give me
The
something.
Burrow.
Give me something good.
and for Cyrex he just follow is safe round, but it's not safe, do not spin,
That's a nice one.
but it's a beautiful SR shiny, look at this shininess, it's a beautiful card.
It's not 4,000.
Oh.
At least.
Oh.
Nope.
Oh,
no, it's
we're
not.
together now.
Oh,
Oh.
Cyrex,
It's time for the 4,000.
Yanni.
Okay, the audience has 4,000. Other side. No?
Yeah, other side, you're right.
Are you ready, man, for 4,000?
I'm ready.
4,000.
Should we put a little suspense in the music? Or?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Why not? That was too early. Sorry.
So every time we look his card before he wins, so we're not gonna look at
I'm
it.
not gonna
Look at it, quick.
Scout, Nova Senran, Shenron, Raisin, Saberman, Son Goten, Vegeta's Powerball, Turtles Powerball, Trunks, Hard Dragon's Home, Rocky. So we're gonna. I have to go sequence.
Not shiny.
It's not shiny.
It's not good.
Oh, it's Chaozu! Chaozu is weak. 1, 2, 3.